So this is what I mean when I say that when Allah Ta'ala, He opens up the doors for you to become educated in His religion, then you should walk through those doors. You should never be happy with being an individual that is considered to be ignorant of anything. Not everyone gets the opportunity to become educated, especially in Allah's religion. How many people do you know that say that they would do anything to be a talib al-ilm? On any level, a small level or a big level. But Allah just doesn't open up those doors for them. When you find that Allah has opened up the doors for you to learn your religion the way that you're supposed to learn it with a qualified teacher, then walk through that door. Do everything that you can do, because this is only going to aid you in being a better Muslim and getting closer to Allah Ta'ala.